There are two steps of making a hinge. Step 1, material blanking. Step 2, round rolling. Now let's take a look at the machine used for material blanking. This is a 2-in-1 decoil and straightener. The SS material put in here to be decoiled and straightened. This one thickness is 2.5 millimeters. And after straightening, the material will be fed by this servo feeder to the press. The press is 210. And this is the blanking mode. And we'll go next step, round rolling. The sheet metal, the blanking sheet metal from last step will be sent here by a pneumatic cylinder to the press. This press is 160 ton. This is the round rolling mode. And finally we got the finished products. If you are interested in our machine, welcome to contact us. We are Besco Machine Tool. Thanks for watching.